Hi, welcome to the Luminkey60 Pro review video.
Nice.
What's up guys, Sauce here. Hope your day is going well. So today we'll be reviewing the Luminkey60 Pro. brothers. Now, as you can hear by that sounds really good. And I know for those of you who like 60% keyboards, this is just one of the nicest sounding ones. Shout out to Luminkey for sending this keyboard out so I can do this review. But before we get started, I would like you guys to know I do have some desk mats available. They're holiday themed, so happy holidays. Anyway, let's get into it. So this is the Luminkey60 Pro. It's a 60% hot swappable custom mechanical keyboard. The coating on this black one is actually really good. I really like it. It's neatly packed in this case and it actually is a nice material. The keyboard doesn't have RGB, but it has those 3 lights at the top, which you can change the color of. It's a cool design. The back of the keyboard actually looks really good, and it has a hiding mechanism for the 2.4 GHz dongle. In the box, it comes with everything you need and extras. This keyboard is tri-mode, hot swappable, 60% ISO or ANSI. You use the Luminkey app to configure everything on it. And it is also an aluminum keyboard. I'll put the specs of the keyboard and the switches on the screen, so go ahead and pause if you want to look at that. But this keyboard looks really good. The only thing I don't like about the keyboard is the mixed match of the keycaps. I wish the keycaps were all white or all black with accent pieces matching the bronze on the back. I know a lot of you guys will just like this keyboard all around, the way it looks, the back, the front, keycaps and everything. The switches actually are really good. And these are Luminkey Astral switches. They're linear switches. It has a PC top and palm bottom, and also a palm stem, so it's really smooth. The layers are really good. It has a good amount of foam. The design of the keyboard is the first thing I noticed was really solid. The back, chef's kiss. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but the speckles on the coating of the keyboard is top tier. As you can see, this is a pre-built keyboard and you get 4 different colors that you can pick from. You only have one choice of the switch, which is the Luminkey Astral switches, but they're really good. Honestly, they're really good. You of course could change them out. This is a hot swappable keyboard, but yeah, this is the Luminkey60 Pro. And for my final thoughts, I think this keyboard is solid, but since it's a 60% keyboard, I don't know if it's for me. But looking outside of just myself, I think a person who likes 60% keyboards will really love this keyboard. First of all, the keyboard sounds really good. It's soft, it's gasket mounted, doesn't have RGB, so if you like RGB, this won't be for you. The typing experience of the keyboard is solid. It's really one of the best. And even though you have only one choice of a switch, these are actually good switches. You know, I hate when keyboard companies give only one choice of a switch, but these are actually good. I would say I would actually keep these switches on the keyboard. Half of you care about VIA support, so sorry, this keyboard does not have VIA support. Those of you who don't care probably don't care. Anyway, that's all I have for this keyboard. Shout out to Luminkey for making this keyboard. It's a solid keyboard. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment below, what do you think about the Luminkey60 Pro? Is this a solid keyboard? Is this one that you'll be looking out for? Comment below, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my desk mats, wallpapers, and I'll see you on the next one.